Another day, another story. Brightside, a website that curates interesting and educational content, has put together a list of 10 peculiar animals that you may have never encountered or heard of before. In addition, they've included a bonus animal at the end that is sure to leave you in awe. Starting off the list at number 10 is the Mangalitsa pig, also known as the pig in sheep's clothing. This distinctive pig has curly hair covering its body, making it appear like a sheep, hence the name. The breed originated in Hungary during the mid-19th century and is recognized for its woolly coat, which can come in black or red, but is commonly blonde. However, thanks to conservation efforts, the future of the Mangalitsa pig looks much brighter. On the list is the Rhinopithecus, also known as the golden snub-nosed monkey. This species is named after the courtesan Roxolana, who was believed to have a snub nose and was a consort of Suleiman the Magnificent, a 16th century sultan of the Ottoman Empire. The male and female monkeys have significant differences, with males weighing twice as much as females and having a different color. Females tend to have darker tones on their forehead and upper body, while infants have a light coat that can appear white in the sunlight. On the list is the Emperor Tamarin, a small monkey with a striking mustache that resembles that of German Emperor Wilhelm II. The Emperor Tamarin gets its name from this distinctive feature, and its appearance is often compared to that of a wise old man or emperor. These monkeys are approximately 10 inches, 26 centimeters, in size, but their tails can reach up to 16 inches, 40 centimeters, long. Overall, Brightside has provided an entertaining and informative list of unusual animals, highlighting their unique traits and characteristics. The inclusion of a bonus animal at the end only adds to the excitement and wonder of this compilation. Tamarins, for example, can eat frogs, snails, and small birds in addition to their typical diet of flowers, nectar, and fruit. The seventh animal on the list is the Patagonian mara, which is often mistaken for a cross between a kangaroo and a hare. It's actually the fourth largest rodent in the world. Female Patagonian maras often place their offspring in creches for safety, and males help protect their babies. They grunt and squeal to communicate, and if startled, they can jump up to 6 feet in the air. Moving on to the fluffy cow, it's important to note that they're not a new breed. Rather, they're standard breeds of cows that are cared for by specialists who wash, dry, and style their hair to give them a fluffy appearance. This requires daily maintenance and months of grooming. Hair sprays and natural oils are used to achieve the desired look. The fifth animal on the list is the Markhor goat, which can grow up to 6 feet in length, with horns that can reach up to 5.2 feet for males. Females' horns only grow up to 10 inches long. Markhor goats are strict herbivores, feeding on leaves, grass, fruit, and flowers. The raccoon dog is often mistaken for a pet that's a cross between a raccoon and a dog, but it's actually more closely related to domesticated dogs, wolves, and foxes. Male raccoon dogs bring food and, according to legend, even flowers to their pregnant partners. And they are one of the most unusual primates you'll ever see. They have a long, thin middle finger which they use to tap on trees and then listen to the echo to find insects hiding inside. Eyes are nocturnal and have large eyes to help them see in the dark. They are also solitary creatures, preferring to live alone rather than in groups like other lemurs. Okapis are also known as forest giraffes because they have a long neck like a giraffe, but they live in the dense forests of Central Africa. They are related to giraffes and have a similar body shape, but their legs are shorter and their fur is a reddish-brown color with white stripes on their legs. Okapis are very shy and elusive, making them difficult to spot in the wild. Pangolins are the most trafficked mammal in the world, but they are also one of the most fascinating creatures. They are covered in scales made of keratin, the same material as human fingernails, and when they feel threatened, they curl up into a tight ball to protect themselves. Pangolins eat ants and termites and use their long tongue to slurp them up. They are also very difficult to breed in captivity, which makes conservation efforts even more important. These are some fascinating and unique animals worth learning about. The first one is the Arctic ground squirrel, which is the only member of the dog family that experiences short periods of hibernation. The second animal is the blue-footed booby, which is commonly found in the Galapagos Islands. Although they may appear clumsy on land, they are excellent flyers and swimmers. They have complicated and amusing mating rituals, which involve high-stepping, foot-stomping, sky-pointing, and whistling to attract a mate. The blue color of their feet comes from their fish diet and indicates a healthy immune system. The third animal is the Malayan colugo, also known as the flying lemur, although it does not fly nor is it a lemur. It has a large gliding membrane, similar to a flying squirrel, that allows it to glide long distances between trees. Despite living in trees, it is not a strong climber and can be quite awkward. The fourth animal is the Venezuelan poodle moth, which was only discovered in 2009. Its furry appearance resembles that of a poodle, but its fur does not serve to regulate body temperature. Instead, insects typically have hairs for protection or sensing their environment. Not much is known about this recently discovered insect. It is a toy made by CM Wyvern, but its bright blue fur is said to reflect the blue skies in the area of its supposed habitat. Overall, these animals are all fascinating and unique in their own way, and they offer a glimpse into the diversity of life on Earth. In conclusion, the animal kingdom never ceases to amaze us with its diversity, complexity, and unique features. From hibernating otters to dancing blue-footed boobies, from gliding coligos to furry poodle moths, and even to imaginary cloud antelopes, there is always something new to discover and learn. These fascinating creatures remind us of the beauty and wonder of the natural world and the importance of preserving it for future generations.